Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to another exciting episode of Talk with Becky. Today, we shall be discussing tech impact, and I have a gorgeous lady with into tech. She is a product manager with Big Communications. Join me as I make welcome Precious back. Hi, Precious. Welcome to Talk with Becky. You look gorgeous, baby.
Thank you.
Did we plan to wear black? We're going to be discussing tech. Tech impact, because a lot of people, including myself, we envy tech gurus. Yeah, so I need you to talk to me about your journey to becoming a product designer that you are.
There's really nothing much about my journey to becoming a product designer. I just wanted to do something different, something that put out something that when people use it, right, they'll be able to have very good experience, because there are products out there that you use, right? People use them, but they don't really solve the actual problem for people. So the idea behind product design is to create products that actually solve problems for people. So going into product design is just for the love of helping people and love of creating viable products that can actually solve problems for people.
If I want to go into product designing like yourself, is it something that you will advise me to do?
Yeah. So if you want to go into product design, everybody's welcome to join. It's a big space, it's a big field, you get. But there are some certain skills that you probably need, right? That will help guide your journey. You need very good communication skills. You need very good creativity skills. You need very good interactive skills. So if you have those as the basic skills, right, you can actually go into tech. So don't let anybody tell you that it's specific tech is for a specific set of people, right? You just need to.
So, Precious, talk to me why you actually decided to choose UI UX design and missed every other kinds of tech.
Because I'm lazy.
You don't say.
So UI UX is something that it's more aligned to my creativity. So I just focused on it, because if I had gone into writing code, probably have been frustrated, because it's not something I wanted to do. It's not something I liked to do.
Okay.
You get? Yes.
Speaking of UI UX, what's actually the difference? Because I don't even think a lot of people know the difference between that.
Okay, so UI is user interface, right? User interface are those things you see on an application, right? So the buttons, the icons, the colors, the text, typography, iconography, all those things are user interface. Yes. The experience, which is UX, it's the kind of feeling you get when using a product. For example, I log into WhatsApp, I pick a chat, I want to chat with someone, I use a search, right? Right, I'm able to chat with the person, the experiences, the communication is going smoothly, right? Now, so that's just the difference. Although people tend to intertwine, but they are two different fields. You can either be a UX specialist, you can either specialize on the UX, right? Or you can specialize on the UI. So personally, I like the experience part, right? I don't really focus much on the interface part, but I do both of them, but I'm more on the experience part.
Okay, so how has this product design helped companies to stay relevant in business?
Okay, so product design help companies stay relevant in business by outdoing their competition. Now, product design goes beyond digital products. So let's say brand A, right, offers a product that brand B, they offer the same service. Okay. Now, if brand A is doing better in the market, brand B will want to study them to know what is making their product sell more in the market, right? So product design, and it helps companies stay ahead of the competition. It helps them interact with the users of that product, reiterate, get feedbacks, and improve on their product. So no matter how you see it, right, there must always be market survey. There will always be customer reviews. That's why most companies, most products, they ask you to leave customer reviews. The reason why you're leaving those reviews is to help them understand you as a user, how you're interacting with the product.
So how do you build products from the scratch into the market?
Product management. The first step one in building a product is asking yourself, do people really need this product? Products are built to solve needs, to solve problems. If the product is not solving a problem, why are you building it? So the first step in building a product is understanding your users' needs, right? You understand their needs, and you can only understand through proper research. You have to research, a lot of research. After research, you need to analyze data. Okay, these needs that I've seen, what can I build? What kind of products do I need to build that will help satisfy this need, right? So we have there are different processes. There are actually like 5 processes in design. There's the design thinking, there's the empathy, there's the ideation, there's the prototype before the testing. Do you get? So after you've identified these needs, you've empathized with your users, you can now move to the ideation stage. It's okay, so what do I give to them?
There should be something that you love about being a product.
The money.
Money lover. She is a money lover. She loves the money.
Yeah. Okay. We all love the money, right? Yes. Like people will say tech money is blood money, but they didn't tell you that.
When you guys are really making money,
they didn't tell you that the blood is your own blood. It's not
No.
somebody's blood, it's your blood. Because you won't sleep, you have some days you will stay like 3 hours you have not eaten. You are trying to debug one thing, you're trying to solve a problem, you're trying to think of one thing.
True.
Do you get? So what I love about product design and product management is I think my favorite part is user interview. When I'm talking to users, like I like to pick their brains. I like to know, okay, what do you want me to do for you? Do you get? It makes me feel like
you love to solve problems.
I love to solve problems. Like I'm like it gives you this, and when the problem is actually solved, the joy that comes with it. Most times I see some websites I design, I'm like, oh my god, it's actually that kind of thing. Like
did I actually do this?
When you launch an application and you're all blushing and you know that bragging right that yes, I actually designed or actually built this. Do you get? So solving problems, seeing application on my product solve problems like the most interesting part after the money, right?
So what are those skills that a product must meet to actually be seen as a successful product?
Solve problem. Just solve the problem. So the thing is, most people, when they're building products, they put too much emphasis on the user interface and they neglect the user experience. Now, I can have a fine face. Is that like fine girl with bad character? You'll be there. No matter how beautiful you are, if you have bad character, but you can have bad character and maybe minimal face. And do you get? So the same thing with products, right? If a product does not solve a problem, people will not use it. There are tons of products that have been abandoned. Just like, okay. Like for instance, Instagram threads. How many people still use threads? Not much people on threads. Twitter is still there. So if your product does not solve a problem, sorry, it will die a very, very quick death. The reason why you enter a car is because you want to get to your destination faster. Now, even if it's a fine car, all these taxes on people then are not fine. But we enter them.
But at least they solve the problem.
If they solve the problem, that's the thing. Do you get? Entering a Benz and it stops on the road.
It's no talk capture. Okay, so what advice do you have for people that want to venture into tech? Because I know a lot of my viewers want to, they are thinking of going into tech, but like, should I go? Do I have the brain for it?
Okay, so if you want to go into tech is fine, but it's dependent on the area of tech that suits, that you think that, okay, I can cope with. Do you get? There are different areas in tech. The product design is just a fraction. There is development, there's front-end development, software development, business analysis, data analysis. Do you get?
Yeah.
Now, first of all, is your passion. Ask yourself, this tech, don't go into tech because of the money, because to be very honest, first 1 year, you never make your first 100K.
You never blow. Paper never writes like that.
Do you get? If you never blow. So you need to have that passion. If you don't have that passion first, it's going to be very difficult for you.
You have done justice to this topic today, and I'm very certain that my viewers have enjoyed this show. We have a ritual here that we do. We have a girl we play on this podcast. Are you ready for that, baby girl?
I hope I pick money.
See, tech people, money. She's so money conscious. So I'm going to bring out the piece of paper here.
Okay.
And whatever is written on this paper, it's what you're going to do. Ready. Somebody say, I'm ready.
Okay, I'm ready. Did you shake that thing?
I did.
You sure?
I did.
I better shake it too. Could be you again.
I did. You're going to be having a bottle of Zobo drink. But you're going to finish that bottle of Zobo drink within 25 seconds.
Ow!
Tana.
Okay, I'm
So,
supposed to finish this.
Calm
Which
down.
straw?
Hold on. Straw. You know you go use straw.
I can actually finish in 25 seconds.
Oh, you really think so?
I'll sip my drink. I don't rush it. Yeah.
Go. Dun, 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 dun. I think 25 seconds. If this guy can drink, shout. No, 25 seconds was too long. Stop. You don't say. See, guys, you actually finished doing within 12 seconds. Amazing.
When you work in tech, you be eating your food
I
like
be-
that because you don't have time. And you're inside meeting.
I did not expect you to actually finish that drink
They
within
play.
seconds.
Just
Honestly. Thank you, Precious, for coming on the
Thank you
show.
for
And I
having
hope that
me.
you will want to come again because
Yeah,
I would love
sure.
to have you here again.
It's not a problem.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome. Bye.